Eric Mitchell, landmark from the Hebron location. Going to talk a little bit about choppers on the 6 and 700 series combines here. We got pretty much the basic chopper, maintenance of it. We do have a gearbox here that is pre-filled with grease. Every once in a while you just need to turn this plug and make sure that there is grease in it. We have belts. Check the condition of them, make sure there's not chunks out of them. There is two, depending on which high and low is which belt is actually driving the chopper. On the other side there is just a bearing. You take the cover off, you can check that and the speed sensor. Need to make sure debris doesn't build up around that speed sensor, otherwise they can tell you that the chopper is not running up to speed. We also need to look at the vanes that discharge the debris coming out to make sure they're not worn or broke and starting to curl, because that will affect the way the debris comes out and landing. Also, just give a quick look along your chopper floors, especially around a couple of the seams where they like to wear out the most. We have some chopper knives here. First, we got stationary knives that get inserted to shred crop up better. You can see that they're dull, they need to be sharp. They are reversible, so you get two sides out of one knife. That is the stationary knife. The rotary knives, you need to look at a couple points when they're in there, because these ride in bushings to make sure they're not very loose, otherwise it can get to banging and break the bolts. The other part is we got a hard surface here, and especially if you get debris that goes through the combine that shouldn't be, it'll chip these out and make them be out of balance. Otherwise they'll wear in this point and along this wing, and then it'll break off, and at that time then you need to replace the knife because it'll throw it out of balance. This is a new knife. You can see how the old one is worn down.